Many clients have asked me over the years, how long does it take to get a personal injury settlement? If you saw some value in this video, please click the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to learn more about personal injury law. First thing you should know is, it better not take too long, because if it takes more than 4 years in Florida, you're barred from a recovery. We have something called a statute of limitations. Different types of personal injury cases have different statutes of limitation. That's the period of time within which the legislature up in Tallahassee says, if you haven't brought a claim by then, you're too late. For the typical case, like an auto accident or a premises liability claim where somebody gets hurt on someone else's property, it's 4 years. If you have a claim involving a medical injury or medical malpractice, it's 2 years. If you have a claim involving a boating accident, in some instances it could be 1 year. So you have to be aware of the fact that if you wait too long, it may be too long. But to get back to the actual question of how long it takes for a personal injury case to settle, well, every case is different. It settles when the case is ready to settle. And what does that mean? That's a typical lawyer answer, right? Well, if somebody's injured, it depends upon how long it takes for them to recover from their injuries. Because you certainly don't want your lawyer to settle your case for you until after you're finished treating, and until after your doctor gives an opinion as to whether you're going to have any permanent problems, until after we know how much all your medical bills are. We can't settle until after we know whether you're going to need future care, whether you're going to need a future surgery. All of those things affect the value of the claim. So sometimes your lawyer can do damage to your case by settling it too soon. On the other hand, many lawyers and many law firms sit on cases too long, and there could be damage done to your case by waiting too long as well. If you have to fight your case in court, if they don't make you a fair offer and you need to call witnesses to prove what happened, to prove your injuries, memories fade, evidence fades, things disappear. So time is not your side in that respect. So there's a fine line between when is it ready to settle and when is it taking too long to settle. So we know we can't wait too long, and we know we don't want to settle too soon. So when is it just right? Well, that's why you rely on a lawyer. For example, with my 32 years experience, I kind of know when it's just right. It's just something you feel after doing this for a long time. So if you want your case handled properly and you want your case settled when it's supposed to settle, contact me and I'll see if I can help.